Hey everybody, Kris Gethin here, and today I'm going to explain to you about the different types of pre-cage that we have, our Kaged Muscle pre-workout formulas, why you should take them, when you should take them, and how you should take them, because we have 3 different types of pre-caged here. So I'm going to start off with our standardized premium pre-caged, which is our award-winning formula. So this pre-cage in particular has caffeine in it. We have an organic caffeine called Pure Caf, along with a lot of the other patented ingredients such as our carnosine, that is our patented beta-alanine. We have our pure fermented citrulline. We have our branched chain amino acids. We have all sorts in here specifically for your weight training workouts. Now each scoop here is over 28 grams. So that's a big ass scoop that you've got there, full of ingredients that are patented, fermented, and organic, that are naturally flavored and naturally colored. This product is to be taken about 40 minutes before your weights workout. Now, if you are caffeine sensitive, you probably don't want to have this, or if you're a slow caffeine metabolizer, maybe the caffeine will be a little bit too much for you. Everybody's different. I know a lot of people that take pre-caged and our intra-workout formula in the evening, and they are absolutely fine. But for some of us, including myself, I'm a slower caffeine metabolizer, so I like to have this before, say, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, okay? For those of you that are caffeine sensitive, we have pre-cage stimulant free. So the size of the scoop here is about 30 grams, okay? And the difference being with this bad boy is that it doesn't have caffeine, doesn't have any caffeine in there at all. So you still have all the benefits of all the ingredients that you have here. You have the citrulline, you have your fermented branched chain amino acids, you have extra leucine, you have your beta power, your carnosine, your creatine HCl, you have your coconut water, all the ingredients that you have in a pre-caged except for the caffeine. So you can take that anytime. Some people like to have caffeine breaks. Some people like to train in the evening. That is the one for you, okay? And then we have pre-caged sport. So for those of you that are participating in endurance sports, maybe games like football, basketball, baseball, or doing MMA, or maybe CrossFit, or anything like that, pre-caged sport is designed specifically for you. Now the difference being with this one is that you don't have like the branched chain amino acids. If you look at the ingredients profile here, the citrulline is a little bit lower than what you'll find in these 2 formulas, because you don't want to have the pump when you participate in an MMA, CrossFit, or endurance sports or anything like that. The caffeine is a little bit lower in this. So in these ones, you've got higher caffeine content. You have 274 of Pure Caf. In here, you're looking at about 188 milligrams of Pure Caf organic caffeine, because you don't want to be overstimulated when you're participating in activity over a longer duration. Maybe you're going out for a 20-mile run, 15-mile run, whatever it may be. This is going to be more beneficial for you. And you don't have creatine in this. Of course, if you want to add creatine or any other single form amino acids to this formula, you can do so. But for those that are participating in sports, or maybe you work out in the morning and then you want to participate in some sort of endurance aspect in the afternoon, you can stack these 2 together, okay? So just to wrap these up, to summarize, pre-cage is specifically for you, that you can take before your workouts, in the morning, during the day, maybe not towards the evening if you're caffeine sensitive. If you're caffeine sensitive and you want to take a break off caffeine, you can have all the effects from pre-caged without the organic caffeine in pre-caged stim free. And then if you're into MMA, if you're into sports, if you're into running, Ironman triathlon, CrossFit, whatever, your functional workouts will be fueled with pre-caged sport, okay? So, and remember, with all of these products, they are naturally flavored, naturally colored, they adhere to the Prop 65 Act of heavy metal contaminants, and they are Informed Sport approved, making sure that they are free from banned substances. So that is the pre-caged from me, Kris Gethin, CEO of Kaged Muscle. If you like this video, you know what to do. You gotta like, comment, and subscribe.